Hey, it's Hair by Akoni, and I want to first welcome you to my page. Okay, I'm always getting the question, how did you start? How did you start your company? I want to start a hair company. Um, like, who did you talk to? What did you do? So I just recorded a series of videos talking about different things. What's on the list? Finding a factory, different facts about who supplies the most hair, who produces the most hair, where hair is sourced, human hair versus virgin hair versus Remy hair, single drawn versus double drawn, hair density, hair grade, hair origin. So these are some of the topics that you need to be more informed about if you want to start your hair company. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be dropping them once a week. If you have any questions, definitely hit us up in the inbox and write any questions or comments below. We are always answering, and the number one thing we want is for you to be an informed consumer, because when you know what you're talking about and when you know what you're looking for, it's a lot less easy to be scammed. Okay. So just wanted to put that out there. These videos are going to be free, but soon we will start our webinars and we'll have our ebooks, because we're going to be dropping hair gems. Okay, we have 5 years in the business, in this industry, on the ground in China, all over Southeast Asia, sourcing, going into the villages, being at the factories, knowing the ins and the outs. Okay, so I can be your eyes, and I'm ready to let you guys know inside information. So again, www.hairbyakoni.com, and on all the social media, Hair by Akoni everything. Okay.